Zero waste cooking is all about making the most of your ingredients, reducing food waste, and getting creative in the kitchen. For beginners, here are some simple tips to start cooking more sustainably without overhauling your entire routine. Start by planning your meals. This not only saves time but also ensures you're buying just what you need. Make a list before shopping and stick to it. This helps avoid impulse buys and keeps your ingredients fresh. Store food properly to extend its shelf life. Leafy greens stay crisp longer when wrapped in a damp cloth, while herbs last longer if kept in a jar of water in the fridge. Understanding the best storage methods for each item can make a big difference. Get creative with leftovers and scraps. Vegetable scraps, like onion skins and carrot tops, can be saved to make a flavorful homemade stock. Leftover rice can become fried rice, and stale bread can be turned into croutons or breadcrumbs. Even citrus peels can be zested into recipes or infused into water for a natural cleaner. Composting is another simple way to handle scraps that can't be reused, like banana peels or coffee grounds. If you have space for a small compost bin, this can be a great way to recycle nutrients back into the earth. Try buying in bulk or using refill stations for pantry staples like rice, grains, and spices to reduce packaging waste. Bringing your own containers or bags when shopping also minimizes single-use plastic. Zero waste cooking is about progress, not perfection. By starting with these easy steps, you'll quickly discover how little changes can have a big impact on reducing waste and making the most of every meal.